AI is replacing survey programmers. That's what everyone is saying right now. Tools like ChatGPT can write survey questions, generate logic, and even help with scripting. So the real question is, should you actually be worried about your job, or is this just hype? If you are a survey programmer or planning to become one, this is something you cannot ignore. Because AI is not just coming, it's already here. And it is already changing how surveys are designed and programmed. And in this video, I'll give you the honest reality. No hype, no fear, just what's actually happening in the industry. Let's start with what AI can actually do today. AI tools like ChatGPT can easily generate survey questions, multiple choice, open-ended rating scales within seconds. Not just that, it can also suggest skip logic. For example, if a respondent selects no, it can automatically suggest skipping to another question. It can even help write basic scripts for tools like survey platforms, validate conditions, and suggest improvements in question wording. So for basic and repetitive tasks, AI is already faster than most beginners. So yes, let's be honest, AI is already replacing some level of work, especially basic survey setup, simple questionnaires, and repetitive programming tasks. If your work is only limited to copying logic, setting up basic flows, or doing manual repetitive tasks, AI can absolutely do that faster. But here's the part nobody talks about. Real survey projects are not that simple. In real-world projects, requirements are unclear. Clients keep changing things, and logic becomes extremely complex. You deal with quota management, nested conditions, piping, randomization, data validation, and edge cases that don't follow a fixed pattern. And most importantly, understanding what the client actually wants is a huge part of the job. AI does not understand business context. It doesn't know why a question is asked. It doesn't know how bad data can impact decisions. And that's where human survey programmers are still very important. Client email, just a small change. So the truth is, AI is not directly replacing survey programmers, but it is changing the skill level required. Earlier, just knowing tools and basic logic was enough. Now you need to think more, solve problems, and use AI to speed up your work. Because someone who uses AI will always be faster than someone who doesn't. So what should you do? Start using AI in your daily work. Use it to generate drafts, check logic, improve questions, and save time on repetitive tasks. But don't depend on it blindly. Always review, test, and validate. Focus on learning advanced concepts, complex logic, data quality, and client understanding. Because in the future, survey programmers won't be replaced. They will just become more efficient and more valuable. So no, your job is not gone. But yes, the way you work needs to change,